Hi everyone, and welcome to another Adobe After Effects tutorial. I will show you how an object can be animated to follow something using track motion. Here I have a text layer and a movie. We go to Tracker. And if you don't have it, we go to Window and check Tracker. Select the clip, go to Tracker, click Track Motion. We select the position and scale options. Two tracking points appear. The tracking points need to be large enough to be easy to be identified by After Effects. The first one should be positioned where the text will be, and the second in another place of the image. The inside square is for the searched area and the outer one is for the search area. The points must be placed on a line, for example, so that track motion work perfectly. Then we let the program do its job. After it is finished, we click on Apply. And in the window that appears, select X and Y, and now we are ready. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.